Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about how does soap cause a urinary tract infection? Fragrances used in some soaps and other bath and hygiene products can cause an allergic reaction of the vulva. Even if the reaction is mild, it can lead to bacterial growth if the resulting rash is moist or rubbed. That bacteria can travel into the urinary tract, causing a UTI. How can I stop UTIs that keep coming back? Lifestyle changes are the first step. Use cotton underwear. Don't hold urine in. Wipe front to back after a bowel movement. But if you have a high risk for recurring UTIs, your healthcare provider may also recommend you take vaginal estrogen, probiotics, cranberry supplements, and/or preventive antibiotics, which may be prescribed to take daily or following sexual activity. Can I take care of a UTI naturally? If you have an active UTI, it's best to get evaluated by a healthcare provider. Untreated UTIs can cause infections to spread up to the kidneys and throughout the body. Chronic infections can also cause future issues with bladder emptying, or make you prone to an overactive bladder. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.